Hey all, Ashley here. I hope you're doing well. Today I have some new product from Pinkfresh Studio. I have actually their new collection, Happy Blooms, as well as some new stamps and dies and stencils. So I'll start with the stamps and dies and then we'll go into the new collection too. And also I will leave a link, an affiliate link down in my description bar below if you do want to purchase anything. Would love for you to use my link. So let's start with the dies. So this one, kind of a simple one, lots of love, just like a nice, easy to use phrase. And then I love this one, so delicate, just like a leafy, perfect for a border or just, yeah, just maybe even to cut up a little, like a few different clusters from it. Just love it. This one is the only one where I think a couple of the pieces are sold out. So this butterfly, which is super pretty, comes with a stamp, stencil, and die. It's a trio, and the stencil and die are sold out. So I have the stamp and I'm waiting on the other two for now, but yeah, the stamp is still really pretty. But here is one of those trios that I did get all the elements to it, and so it's stamp, stencil, and die that gives you this image. So for the coloring bit, you can use the stencils, and I've yet to try doing this. Pinkfresh Studio has quite a few products like this where it's like multiple stencils and you use them together to color different parts of the image and give you different amounts of depth in your image, which is really cool. But I am not the best at stamping or like doing mixed media stuff, so it will be my first attempt at this, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it turns out well, but I'll show you how it goes as I play with it. So yeah, you can use the stencils to color in your image, and then you stamp if you want, and then dies as well. And the die's cool because it's one die, but it cuts out all the different shapes for you, which I really like that. So yeah, that's all the stencils and dies that I got. And then let's go into the collection. This collection is so pretty. This will give you an idea of the color scheme. It's very pastel and it's very floral. So if you like that, then I think you will love this collection. Yeah, I've really been loving keeping it real, but this one is, yeah, I'm excited to start playing with this one now too. So here are the enamel dots. Here's all the ephemera packs. And then I'll just kind of put these around. So yeah, lots of kind of floral images, and then just like, you know, really easy to use like tags and banners. And then there's like the floral pot thing, watering can, birdhouse, really cute. Just lots of really cute images. Little strawberry and florals, just so sweet. So yeah, that's this ephemera pack. And then there's a second pack that's just dedicated to only florals. Oh, and then also, sorry, I really like this little teacup and the hat too. It's very cute. So I like the style of the sketches too. Just, I don't know, it just seems very like sweet and dainty and soft and feminine, if that makes sense. So yeah, lots of really cute images. And then here are some of the florals. I'll just spread them out. These ones are always, I think, a little bit bigger, so you got some like bigger clusters. Just some larger images too to play with. Lots and lots of florals. Love the color scheme. Little butterflies too. Yeah. So that's this pack. And then there's also journaling bits, which I've said before, I love when Pinkfresh Studio includes journaling bits with their collection. It's just such an easy way to add an interactive element to whatever project you're making, because these are all like pockets and tags. So here's this little pocket library card, another kind of pocket library card with a tag tucked in, another kind of envelope here, happy thoughts, another pocket here and some phrases, a couple more like cut apart shapes, tickets and tags, and then another kind of card. Library card. I love the library cards, I think the most, as well as like these kind of coin envelopes. Yeah, love this. So yeah, this is everything from this pack. So let's go on to the puffy stickers. I actually asked for 2 and they were nice to send me a couple because I just really like their puffy stickers and I go through these quite quickly. And there's so many florals on here and the little bee is so cute. My happy place. I love this image. As well as the little seed packs as well. And yeah, so that's the puffy stickers. Then we've got the cardstock stickers. Lots of stamps, which I love that. I love stamped images like that. And then really easy to use phrases in this collection, which it's just kind of like very kind of general phrases, which is nice because I think the last couple collections had some very specific phrases, which are also fun, but I'm glad to have some kind of, used for any occasion kind of phrases. And then here are the alphas, so green and then multicolored minis. And then the puffy frames. Cute. This one's kind of cool. The 2 openings of this frame and some circular ones. Really cool. And then we'll go into the papers. I'll just flip through the 6x6 pad really quickly. The difference with this one is that it is double-sided. In the past they weren't double-sided, so that's kind of neat that they did this double-sided this time. But yeah, we'll go through the 12x12 papers too, so you can see the images a bit better. But here's kind of the smaller. Okay, and then last but not least, let's go through the paper pack. So the 12x12 papers. So we've got this large floral cluster green pattern on this back. We've got this softer kind of print, which I really love this. Very delicate. We've got our cut apart sheet. Super pretty. Love this one. And this too. And I love the back of this one with the butterflies. Very pretty. I think the design of these florals, they're a little bit more like sketch design, or I'm not sure what you call it. I'm not the best at describing papers, but I like how it's a little bit more linear, those florals. I love this sheet. Always love stamps, and a full page of stamps is always one of my favorite papers for our collection. And in the back, steeper green paper and stripes on the back. Love the smaller scale floral clusters. Not too overwhelming, but also really good for fussy cutting too if I ever just want like a smaller floral image. Couple more here. I really just love all these patterns. It all kind of reminds me of like, I don't know, like quilts or maybe something like folksy or something. I'm not sure. If, again, not the best at describing papers, but I love this one too. Really sweet. And then the back is a bunch of phrases. Again, I just love the kind of phrases that are included in this collection. Really easy to use, I think. So, perfect for fussy cutting. So yeah, that's all the papers. for this one. Really, really pretty. Again, I love the color scheme of this collection. I love how floral it is. It's so beautiful. I'm excited to play with it. I'll share what I make on Instagram. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.